Hello and welcome back to my channel English Panacea. Actually what happened is today I was just inspecting the renovation going on at our institute. So one of the workers working here, he used a particular word, and since he is not into, you can say, academies, he is not into education, but still the way he used it, I was really amazed. Although there was a small error in that. He used the word longevity, Longevity. In Hindi it means Dirghayu, Lambi Ayu. So the moment he said, I called him, I said, do one thing. I gave him a few examples and I thought, since I got a time today, in between I thought, should I convey a small message to all the viewers? Even students, teachers and most of the learners of English, they are under this kind of doubt how to pronounce this particular syllable. Now see, longevity is wrong, it is longevity. सही शब्द क्या है दीर्घायु के लिए? वो है longevity. Now I'll prove it with examples. Whenever the letter E follows, the vowel E follows the letter G, it becomes J. Although exceptions are there. Genuine, G-E-N-I-U-N-E. Gentle, G-E-N-T-L-E. Geography, G-E-O. Geology, G-E-O. Generous, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. So whenever vowel E follows the letter G, the sound gets J. Another small example is gem, G-E-M, but it cannot be taken as a thumb rule, since another word of same size, that is 3 letters, that is called get, G-E-T. So take care, but in most of the cases, good 90%, whenever the vowel E will follow G, it becomes J. Once again, I summarize the words generous, gentle, genius, geography, geology. So all these, they take J. G is seldom spoken. So take care, since it is a part of phonetics, do take care, and it's a part of spellings also. Thank you very much for this.